Jai Srimanarayana. 31st sloka, first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nimittani cha pasyami viparitani kesava nacha sreyaha अनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनम् आहवे ॐ. Extreme attention to women's might make your mental strength go down. Sri Krishna Paramatma also gives a final message asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall not pay extreme attention to omens which might make my mental strength go down. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapetaकृत्यam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya Naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti saying to Sukracharya like this, O Acharya, the great Brahmanas, if we do any charities to the Brahmanas, it brings more and more auspiciousness to us. In that case, tataha vatoho asya dadami vanchitam. In that case, whatever this Vamana asks from me, I should definitely give. Oh Acharya, great people like you all will learn so many rules and regulations of yajnas, yagas, and then you all will do worship Sri Mahavishnu. Then that Mahavishnu will give you darshanam. But here the same Mahavishnu, Saeva Vishnuhu Varadaha, are saying the same Mahavishnu came down in this form of Vamana. You are saying that he is not Brahmachari, he is Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu. If that is true, then what else can be the more happiness for me, Acharya? You all will do so many yajnas and yagas, only then Sri Mahavishnu give you darshanam. But here, just by giving 3 feet of land, I am getting darshanam of Sri Mahavishnu. What else will be more fortunate opportunity for me, Acharya? Yeshava Uttama Shlokaha. If Mahavishnu is coming here in this form of Brahmachari, though even if he is coming to punish me or protect me, whatever that he does to me, I don't care. I would never worry about that. Only worshipping Sri Mahavishnu is my ultimate goal. Like that, Bali Chakravarti is saying to Sukracharya. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 31st sloka. Nimittani cha pasyami viparitani kesava nacha shreyo nupasyami hatva svajanamahave. Nimittani cha pasyami viparitani kesava nacha shreyo nupasyami hatva svajanamahave. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.